In 2026, you don't need a camera to win on YouTube. You need AI.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to make AI videos for YouTube, step by step.
Most people quit YouTube because creating videos feels too hard.
But AI completely changed the game. An AI video is created using text, prompts, and artificial intelligence. They're faster, cheaper, and scalable.
Explainers, storytelling, faceless content. AI handles it all.
The first step is selecting your niche. This is absolutely critical for standing out in today's market. Okay, I've made my decision. We are going to focus on sustainable design.
Choose a niche: education, motivation, tech, facts, or storytelling.
Welcome to Niche Selection. This is where we identify your unique place in the market. It's time to sift through the options and find the perfect fit.
The script is the backbone of every viral AI video.
AI tools can write professional scripts in minutes. Now convert your script into video using AI generators.
Consistency builds trust and brand identity.
AI camera motion makes videos feel alive.
Use AI voices or your own. Both work.
Music controls emotion and watch time. Sound effects keep viewers locked in.
Cut every 3 to 5 seconds. Kill boredom instantly. Captions increase retention by over 40%. Color grading makes your video premium.
AI video means nothing without a clickable thumbnail.
Your title should create curiosity, not explain everything.
Always export optimized for YouTube. Descriptions, tags, and chapters boost discovery.
Thousands of AI channels are exploding right now.
AI makes daily uploads possible. Weak prompts create weak videos. Better prompts equal better results.
AI careers. AI creators are the future of YouTube. And for Wool, AI videos can be monetized just like regular content. Provide value, and the algorithm will do the rest.
If you footprints are for Faceless, it's up to time. If you want to build a YouTube channel using AI,
Subscribe and stay ahead of the curve. No camera, no excuses, just AI.